So today we are solving example 19 from Ncert probability chapter class 12th. So there is a factory where there are three machines A, B, C, and they manufacture 25%, 35% and 40% of boards. Of their 5, 4 and 2%, these are the percentages respectively, are defective boards. Means they are bad, rest of them are good. A bolt is drawn at random from the product and is found to be defective. So what is the probability that it is manufactured by machine B? So first collect the information. So let me write down machines. Okay. So how many machines are there? There are three machines. Machine A, machine B and machine C. So 25% are made by machine A, 35 by machine B and 40% by machine C. If they are made by machine A, so some may be defective and some may be good, correct? So by machine A, how many are defective? 5%. So 95% will be good, correct? If they are made by machine B, bolts, so there may be two possibilities, right? Good or bad. So suppose how many are defective? They have given are 4% are defective. So remaining, which is 96%, will be good. Similarly, if they are made by machine C, so there may be some defective and some good. So 2% are defective, 2 by 100. So that means 98% are good. So this is the flow chart ready, whatever is information given. So we have to find that bolt that you have drawn is found to be defective. So what is the probability that it was made by machine B? The bolt is defective. Okay, so what we have to find out? Probability that it was made by machine B given that it is a defective piece. Correct? So here we will write probability will be total possibility that the bolt is defective by favorable. Correct? That is how we write probability. So what is the total possibilities that the piece is defective? The possibility is here that maybe it was made by machine A and it is defective. This is first possibility. Or it was made by machine B and it is defective. Or it may be it is made by machine C and it is defective. These are all possibilities total. Which one is favorable? That it was made by machine B, correct? They are saying. So this one seems to be favorable. Yes or no? This one is favorable. Perfect. So let me write down the total cases here. Okay. So first is it is made by machine A and defective. So it is made by machine A and defective. Machine A possibility is 2500 and means product 5 by 100. Okay. Remember, whenever there is and, we take product. And whenever there is or, we always take sum. This is the rule of probability. Okay. Now they are saying or it is made by machine B. Here is machine B. So possibility is 35 by 100 and 4 by 100. Or means plus, or made by machine C, which is 40 by 100. Okay. And it is defective, which is 2 by 100. Out of that, which one is favorable? That it was made by machine B, which is 35 by 100 into 4 by 100. Okay? This is only favorable. Correct? Now let's just simplify this and this. 100, 100, 100 denominator cancel. Okay? So let me write down 35 into 4, divided by 25 into 5 plus 35 into 4 plus 40 into 2. So if you simplify it, if you solve it, let me cut it by 5 each. Let me write down into 4. Can I take 5 common here? Correct. This is 25 plus 7 into 4 plus 8 into 2. Correct. I have taken just 5 common here. So here 5 cancel. So I will get 28 by 25 plus 28 plus 16. So what will be this? So this comes out to be 28 by 69. This is answer. Correct, if you add these three. So this is the probability that the bolt will be defective and it was created by machine B. Okay, so this is how we can solve it. You can pause it and try again. Next example. A doctor is to visit a patient. One second. Sorry, the half of the question I had to write in pen. So they are saying a doctor to visit a patient. Listen carefully the question. From past experience, it is known the probability that he will come by train, bus or a scooter are 3 by 10 or by other means, right? There are 4 ways he can come: by train, by bus, scooter or other means. Are 3 by 10, 1 by 5, 1 by 10 and 2 by 5. Probability that he will be late if he comes by train is 1 by 4, by bus is 1 by 3, by scooter is 1 by 12. But if he comes by another vehicle, he will not be late. That is what is given. When he arrives, he is late. So what is the probability that he came by train? So this is a 2-level selection. First he is selecting the vehicle and the second case that he is late. So we will apply here Bayes theorem. For that, let me collect information in the form of a flowchart. Okay, let me draw it flowchart. So let's write down doctor. Correct. So doctor can come by 4 possible vehicle. Correct. So first vehicle is train. Next is bus or maybe scooter or maybe other. Correct. You can change the speed, increase or decrease depending on your need on YouTube. Okay, the probabilities that he will choose these is 3 by 10 for train, 1 by 5 for bus, 1 by 10 for scooter and 2 by 5 for others. Perfect. If he comes by train, he may be late or maybe on time. So for late by train is 1 by 4. Not late maybe 3 by 4 because 1 by 4 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So if he is late, so probability is 1 by 4. So not late will be 3 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4. Okay. By bus also, what is the probability for late? 1 by 5. And on time will be then 1 minus 1 by 5, which is 4 by 5. Though we are not interested because we want to know only about late. Okay. For a scooter also he may be late or maybe on time. For late it is 1 by 10. On time it will be 9 by 10. Correct? How we got 1 minus 1 by 10? It is 9 by 10, like that. For others it is given for late the probability is, by bus he is late, probability is 1 by 3. So it will be 2 by 3. Why 2 by 3? Because we need to subtract 1 minus 1 by 3. See, 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. Correct? Then by this probability is 1 by 12. So on time will be 11 by 12. By other method, he is not late at all. Zero probability. So on time probability will be 1. So this is the entire table. We need to find the probability that he is late and that he came by train. The probability that he came by train and he is late. The condition is he is late. So what is the probability that he came by train? Correct. The condition is that he is late. This is the condition. Correct. So what are the possibilities that he is late? He came by train and late maybe, or by bus and then late, here you see, or he came by scooter and late, or he came by other thing and late. These are all possibilities. Out of that, which one is favorable? That he came by train. Which one seems to be favorable? This one is only favorable, right? This one, that he came by train and he is late. So now we will find out the probability by using this table. How? Probability is that total possibilities, and numerator is favorable. Correct? So what are the total possibilities? 3 by 10 and late. 3 by 10 because he came by train and late. Then he came by bus and late, which is came by bus, which is 1 by 5. Let me write it here. 1 by 5 and late. 1 by 3 plus. Came by scooter and late. So 1 by 10 and 1 by 12. Then plus 0, we came by other, into 2 by 5. Correct? Let me write in order that he came by other vehicle, which is 2 by 5 and late 0. Out of that, this one is favorable. This one, the first one only is favorable. 3 by 10 and 1 by 4. Correct? So now simplify. Anything is cancelling? I think 5 will cancel everywhere. 5 2s are, then 5 2s are, and 5 2s are. So it is 3 by 8. This is 3 by 8 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 24 plus 0. So let me simplify it. So here we will get, so it will be 3 by 8 divided by, what is LCM of these three is 24. This is 9 plus 8 plus 1, which is 3 by 8 divided by 18 by 24, which is 3 by 8 into 24 by 18. Okay, so here I think 3 by 6 and 2s are, so it is coming out to be 1 by 2. You can try to solve it. I have done it little fast. So 1 by 2 is the probability that he is late and he came by train. Okay, you try it on your own. Firstly, you draw this chart and then do this. Let's do question 21. This is important question. So a man speaks truth 3 out of 4 times. He throws a die and he reports 6. What is the probability that actually it is 6? Let's make a chart. So he is throwing a die. Correct? So when you are throwing a die, so there are possibility 6 came, or maybe 6 did not come. 6 came is 1 out of 6. Did not come is 5 out of 6. Okay? Now there are two possibilities, that he reports 6 or he may not report 6. Correct? Suppose 6 came and he is reporting 6. So that means he is telling truth. So what is the possibility that he is telling truth? Is 3 out of 4. If 6 came and he is not reporting 6, he is reporting something else. So he is lying. Correct? So that is 1 by 4. Though we don't need it. Now 6 did not come, but he reports a 6. He's saying 6 came. So he is basically lying. The probability of lying is 1 by 4. Here he reports not 6. So that means he is telling truth. So that probability is 3 by 4. Right? Though we need the case that he is reporting 6. They are saying that he reports a 6. So what is the probability that actually 6 came? Okay? So he is reporting 6. So how many chances is reporting 6? Either it came and he is reporting, or it did not come, even then he is reporting. Out of that, this is favorable. Means actually came and he is reporting. Only this is favorable out of these two. So what will be the probability that actually came 6 and condition is he reports 6? See, he may report in both cases, but actually 6 came, condition is he is reporting 6. So वो probability में we will take total in denominator and here we will take favorable. Correct? Yes or no? So let's see. How much is total possibility? Total possibility is that 6 came and he is reporting. Correct? And means into. Or means plus. Or में हमेशा we take plus. Or 6 did not come and he reports 6. Correct? It did not come and he reports 6. In first case 6 came and he is reporting 6. Okay, so this and this and this in first case. Second case this and this, which is this. Out of that, which is favorable, the top one, right? This and this. Correct? Simplification, देखिए denominator is same, will cancel. So it is 3 by 3 plus 5, which is 3 by 8. So this is the answer. Very important and easy question. Okay? So I hope you got it. See you in next video where we will solve 13.3 entire exercise. Bye everyone.